Today we are going to learn about the experimental technique called light trail. But before we start, we have to understand two basic concepts of exposure and the shutter speed, which helps in creating these kind of photographs. Basically, exposure is the amount of light falling on your sensor while the shutter is still open. And the best way to control the exposure is by using the shutter speed. Slower the shutter speed, more exposure you get. What do we need for long exposure? A camera capable of taking long exposure photographs, a sturdy tripod, and a camera remote. See, these kind of photographs require 1 to 2 minutes of exposure. This may require 4 to 5 hours of exposure. Using a long exposure technique, you can get a great photograph of fireworks, on light trails, or you can make the water look soupy like in this photograph. Each of these photographs require different amount of exposure, but that can be learned with trial and error. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please share, subscribe and comment. I'll see you in the next tutorial.